In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean and lubricate a motorcycle chain. So to get started, I have my motorcycle in a stand and I've raised the back wheel so I can spin the back wheel freely. If you'll notice, there's a lot of drag. So before I adjust the tension on the chain, I want to clean and lubricate the chain so that my adjustment is correct. If you'll notice, some of the links even stick, which means it needs lubrication. So to start, I'm going to take a wire brush and I'm just going to knock some of the grime off it. I want to do both sides. Now I have the heavy dirt off, I'm going to grab just some light spray lubricant and lube this up. This lubricates up the O-rings because this is an O-ring chain. Efficiencies on chains are greatly affected by lubricants. You know, a good lubricated, well-adjusted chain, it can be 90 to 95% efficient, but if it's dirty and not properly tensioned, you can lose 10 to 15% of the efficiency of your motor to the back wheel. That's a lot of power to lose because you didn't oil your chain. So I'm going to lube this up and let it soak a little. But as you can see, the wheel turns way easier than it did before. That's a simple performance gain that you can get. So we'll let it sit a little bit and then we'll put some heavier lubricant on. Now that I've let it sit a while, you can see the lubricant has worked its way in and the wheel turns very easy. I'm going to take a rag and I'm just going to wipe the excess off. And I'm going to take my favorite chain lubricant. I prefer white lithium grease, but there's lots of other ones on the market, and whatever you prefer to use is fine. Just remember, any lubricant's better than no lubricant. So I'm just going to shake this stuff up and let it rip. Both ways. Now to the side. Top of the rollers. What's nice about the white lithium is it goes on thin, and as it sits it gets harder. So it stays on, but you have to let it dry. Now that I have my chain lubricated up well, you'll notice that the chain's very loose. So it's time to adjust the chain. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.